Hi and welcome to a new video. If you've purchased or want to buy an iPhone, you probably want to know how to verify its authenticity. In this video, I will show you how to identify whether an iPhone is an original or a refurbished device. Let's go. Refurbished iPhones are those that have had hardware problems fixed or replaced and then were once again sold by retailers. Usually, the replacements or repairs are done internally, so it might be challenging to identify whether certain parts are original or not. However, it may still be worth a try to validate some information on the iPhone. The first thing you must check is the iPhone's model number. Go to Settings, then General, and choose About. Find the model number field and verify the character's first letter. Each letter corresponds to a certain classification. If your iPhone's model number begins with either M or P, that means the device is an original retail purchase made directly from the Apple Store. The only difference is that P, which stands for personalized, is identified with a unique engraving on the iPhone, while F means the device is refurbished by a third-party service center. On the other hand, those that start with N are classified as refurbished by Apple themselves, usually as a result of concerns with the original device. Additionally, you can also verify the iPhone using its serial number. You should be able to locate it just below the model number and then copy the data. Open your browser and visit checkcoverage.apple.com. Paste the serial number into the provided field and click Continue to proceed to the diagnostic page. If the valid purchase date is marked as checked, it indicates that the iPhone has been activated at Apple through its website. This usually triggers when the iPhone boots up for the first time. Another alternative is to download and install a software on your computer to easily extract your device's information. For this, I recommend Tenorshare iCareFone. Aside from being helpful at managing your iOS devices easier, this software allows you to view your iPhone's diagnostic report. Fortunately, this works on both Mac and Windows, and the feature required to identify your phone's information is entirely free. You can click on the tag at the top right corner or find the link in the description below to download iCareFone for free. After installation, launch the software on your computer. Then, connect your iPhone using an original or an MFI certified cable so that there will be no conflicts with the data transfer. Once the software recognized your device, click on Test Review to redirect to the diagnostic page. Below the report, you should be able to read specified notes indicating whether your iPhone has been disassembled or not. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.